Hey guys, for those of you that have been watching my videos, you might have seen several videos of me posting things for my ATV, my side-by-side, or my Ruckus. Kemimoto, they are a sponsor, and they've once in a while they'll send me something for like I say, either the side by side or the Ruckus. But they sent me these things right now, and this one right here is a kind of like a storage bag that goes in between the seats, you know, the two front seats. If you have a two-seater, this one goes like right in between the two seats, and it's basically just a storage bag, all weather, waterproof. You could store all kinds of things inside it. It has a zipper that seals it up. You could put things like a map, tools, drink, whatever. The top part has a zipper that's, when you zip it up, it's watertight. Now this is a bigger one, so you can put a lot more things in it. Inside is another kind of storage area with a, I don't know if you can see in there, but yeah, it has a like a net fabric. So again, you could put just pretty much anything you want inside there. It basically just clips on to the pad, the trim that's on the inside. Has a couple of other straps here, and I'll go through installing it. They sent these to me. It's already been a couple of weeks now, but we've gotten so much snow that I haven't even been able to pull out the side-by-side. This is another thing they sent me, and it's a I don't know, I think a couple of months ago or a month ago, something like that, they sent me a side view mirror. And they sent me these things, or this thing right here, which is a like a rear view mirror, and that goes like, you know, basically where a typical rear view mirror goes, and it has mounting clips or brackets. And again, I will go over how to install these. The brackets themselves are made out of aluminum. They got some stainless steel screws that go with them to cinch everything down. These ones have that bolt that basically slides into here, and it's adjustable. You just tighten it down. It's easy as that. Like I say, I'll go over installing it, and you can see how they look. I know if you guys look down at the bottom of the description, they're going to have a discount code, and you could get it. I think they got it either on eBay or Amazon. But like I say, look down, description code down at the bottom of the video, and they'll give you a really good deal on all their stuff. Their products are really good. I've been using them for probably about a year now, I guess, and they will go over how to install this stuff right now. Okay.